So kids, let's try our zipline toy transporter. So for now, we need the hook and the yellow string that you have. First, we have to paste to any surface with this hook. Yeah, you have to remove the one and paste it in the smooth surface, right? This. Okay. Next is we will tie the string, right? We will tie the string. Okay, so there we have it. So, right? So next is we will put now the rocket, right? So, we will insert the string first at the small hole, then alright, okay, right, and then we will tie the string at the opposite. Make it tight, yeah? Okay. So, let's try without a toy. Oh! It's moving! Now, kids, let's try with the toy on it. Again, we are making zipline toy transporter. Let's transport now toy. All right. One more. See, kids, it's working. So that is our zipline toy transporter. I hope you enjoyed the project. That would be all for the STEAM class. I'm Mr. Robert, and let's try one more time. Oh! God bless you and bye-bye!